Good chilly Thursday morning. Welcome to Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this chilly but beautiful Thursday morning, the 14th of May, 2015. Frost advisories for interior northeastern Pennsylvania and the Poconos will be discontinued at 8 a.m. this morning, but we did have some chilly temperatures across this region with lows bottoming out into the lower 30s just around the frost areas here of the forecasted region. Temperature minimums this morning anywhere from the low to the mid 40s, and right now the temperatures are back on the rise through the 40s and low to mid 50s across the entire region. High pressure continues to dominate the forecast region this morning with light northerly winds, northwesterly winds, and high pressure in control. Lots of sunshine out there this morning, and temperatures responding, warming from the upper 30s where they bottomed out this morning in the lower 30s in parts of Sussex and Warren County, and also parts of the Poconos here, and the temperatures are on the rise. It's going to be a beautiful day. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com and Digital Atmosphere software shows our low pressure area out here in the plains with our warm front extending south towards the Gulf Coast here and producing moderate bouts of rain out to our west. Meanwhile, high pressure is dominating our forecast region. Will begin to do so over the next 24 hours, 36 hours, and then high clouds and precipitation will begin to move into our direction as a warm front moves in our direction as well. Agricultural forecast for northern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania from Rutgers University. Rainfall, no rain through Friday, and we do need rain. Northwest winds for spring very light tonight, out north and west at 5 to 10 today, southwest at 5 to 10 tonight and Friday. Humidity's bone dry today, 25 to 35%, 90 to 100% tonight, 40 to 50% on Friday. Dew points beautiful, mid 30s today, low 40s tonight, mid 40s Friday. Drying conditions very good today and good on Friday. There's some light dew tonight and Friday night, and about 90% sunshine today, 60% sunshine on Friday. The pollen forecast will continue to be high right through the early part of next week as the atmosphere remains relatively dry and we have breezy conditions. And with that, well, lots of flourishing of pollen. And the ultraviolet radiational index for your skin will be on the moderate to high side right through the weekend. Things looking good on the aviational weather deck today. VFR conditions. Winds will be northerly this morning, turn northeast by late morning, and then become variable for a while this afternoon. The onshore flow with a sea breeze expected around Millville, Atlantic City this afternoon should cool the temperatures off a little bit too. Winds will probably turn more west to southwest tonight, but speeds probably 5 knots or less. VFR conditions continue on Friday. Some MVFR conditions and possible showers. Northern airports on Friday night, Saturday through Sunday night, mainly VFR, but possible lower conditions and any scattered showers and thunderstorms with the highest chances at Pennsylvania airport terminals. Monday, mostly VFR, low confidence as to where the timing and low will be between the fronts, the warm front and the cold front coming in from the west on Tuesday. And I definitely have my allergies kicking up this morning. Outside of Newark Airport, 52 degrees. It's beautiful. Dew point 35, humidity 52%. A few clouds at around 6,000. Scattered cirrus clouds at 25,000. Beautiful weather conditions today, VFR. Philadelphia is looking good this morning, too. 51, dew point 38, humidity 61. The wind is light out of the northeast at 10. A few clouds at 6,500. Scattered clouds at 30,000. And a beautiful weather conditions in place for flying today. Morning past the visible satellite imagery this morning shows the high cirrus out to our west, but bone dry conditions and sinking air, convergence and confluence in the atmosphere. Water vapor channel showing the same kind of thing. And it's beautiful weather out there for today, no complaints at all. The system across the upper Midwest will continue to move towards the Canadian Maritimes and drag a warm front into our region, probably passing through the region sometime on Saturday or Sunday, and then where it lies on Sunday and Monday before the cold front comes through is still in question. And year-to-date precipitation mean departures from normal. We're running anywhere from 2 to 3, 4, 5 inches below normal in precipitation for the first half of this year so far up to this point. And during the last 30 days, we're running about 2 to 3 inches below normal, so we're about 51 to 75% below normal in precipitation. We're not really going to find any widespread precipitation through Monday night, possibly a little bit more on Tuesday as a cold front comes through, and we do really need the rain. GFS maps into motion, high pressure and control of our weather. Beautiful weather conditions today. Temperatures getting into the lower 70s. Interior sections being cooled off along the immediate coast with a sea breeze development. Southern coastal regions during this afternoon. Everything goes back to near normal again tonight. Beautiful weather conditions continue tomorrow with an increase of cloud cover. And then a warm front begins to move towards the area. Now, this weekend is not going to be a washout, but there will be certain regions and certain periods where precipitation will be more likely than others, about 50% or so. And then the forecast gets more challenging as where the warm front or backdoor cold front is going to lie across the northern mid-Atlantic by Sunday night and Monday. So there could be a rain-free period from Sunday evening into Monday as the front passes back to our south. And then we head into Monday, which could turn out to be mostly dry for most of the region, but still a little bit warm to near normal temperatures south of the warm front, cooler with an onshore flow to the north of the warm front. And it's going to be a challenging forecast where places south along I-95 could get into the 80s. Other areas would drop back into the 60s after a very warm and humid day on Sunday with temperatures in the 80s just about everywhere. Monday could turn out to be about 15 to 20 degrees cooler across northern sections, so it could be a challenging forecast indeed. And the upper low and cold front move through the region on Tuesday, and this produces more widespread chances for rain and even thunder across the region, probably beginning on Tuesday morning or Tuesday afternoon. The GFS might be a little fast in this forecast. That moves off the coast, and then cool Canadian high pressure moves in for the middle part of the week, and temperatures go to near normal to slightly below normal as we get to Thursday and Friday with dry weather conditions next week, but much cooler temperatures once again. So if you do have outdoor plans this weekend, as most would, because there's a lot of things going on in late May outside, do carry an umbrella, and we'll try to hone in on the forecast locations and best chances